Hey guys, so I just started recording because we found the bird nest. I don't know if you could see it because I can't really see. It's between. I just gotta find it perfect. Up there, somewhere up there. Oh yeah, up there. Can you see it? I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's somewhere right there. Can y'all see it? Yeah, that's the nest right there. It doesn't really look much from the camera, but yeah, it's a nest.
The viewers can see it from here. There it is. See that?
You can see it from there? Alright.
Right on top of my finger. Right.
Let me swing.
Right there, right there.
Alright, y'all ready? I'm on the monkey bars.
Alright, hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I bumped into the tree. Where can you see it, dude?
Here.
Oh yeah, you can see it. Alright, back up a little, get a little closer. And up there. I think I see the bird nest. I don't see it on camera. It's hard to see camera. Alright, from up here, yes, perfect.
There's no one going on a trampoline. Nobody even goes in the back anymore at the house.
And there it is. Right up there.
Hey, I see you.
Move a little over here. What do you want? Dude, don't shake it. Alright, goodbye guys. It was just a random vlog thingy. And I'll see you later. I'm going to show you Christopher's backyard first. Christopher, is you watching this video, bro? Sorry, I'm showing your backyard. Alright, dude, here's his backyard. Oh yeah, when we were playing last night, it was so much fun. Alright, see you later guys. Goodbye.